Okay, yeah, all of you know this one. Okay, alright. Now let's read with teacher, please. What is it? Bust. Okay, read again. Bust. Okay, so what about this one? Number 6. Okay, you say trolley. Read again. Trolley. Alright, thank you so much. So now teacher just have one question that want to ask and want to tell you that. So here. How do we get to the park? I'm sorry. How do we get to the park? It means if you want to go to the park, so what can you do? But right now, mommy and daddy have car, right? Have car, have your own car, have your own motor, so you can take car or you can take motor to get to the park. Okay, right? But sometimes in the north way, in the north country, they do not use motor. They use what? They use maybe they use bus, they use a taxi to take the park, to get to the park, right? Okay, because some of them they want to go to the play in the park, but how they can go? Okay, so they can go by taxi or they can get by subway, maybe, I think. They can get by train, they can get by ferry, oh, maybe no. They can get by bus, yes, they can get by bus, or they can get by trolley also. Okay, so this one, teacher just want you to think, oh, teacher, how can we get to the park? Okay, how can we get to the park? So how can we get to the park? Anybody? So actually, right now, your parents have car. Your parent has motor, so you can say, oh, we can take what? Can take the motor, right? Or you can say, we can take the car, right? But teacher suggests you to just put this one or this one. It's okay, it's for you, for your choice, okay? So we can take what? We can take what? Okay, taxi. This one is for example only. Okay, we can take taxi to the park, right? Okay. So teacher will ask you, how we can get to the zoo? Teacher want to go to the zoo to see a lot of animals. So how? Because the zoo is so far from here. So okay, maybe we can take the bus, right? Okay, so we can take the bus. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. So here, this one you can read by your own. Okay, here this one is taxi, subway, train, ferry, bus, trolley. So please this one just try. How do we get to the park? So we can take taxi or we can take bus. It's up to your choice. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. So the one that teacher would like you to do this one is for your homework, right? Okay. You can go to the activity book and on page 72. They say about Unit 8. On the go. So draw the line, take the bus to the park, okay? Take the taxi to the zoo. So in here you can see this one where